Hi guys, it's your girl Sabrina Latrice here, just coming back on with a new video. I do want to address the elephant in the room. You guys, I have been MIA for about a month, but I am back. If you're new here, my name is Sabrina Latrice. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload. So let's get into the purpose of today's video, you guys. So lately I have been prioritizing my mental health and making sure that I am taking a moment every morning to journal and also read my book. So I do have a book here that I've been loving recently from Amazon. It's called Emotional Self-Care for Black Women, and it's by the author Layla Moon. This book here has been helping me to silence my inner critic. It also has been helping me to kind of raise my self esteem. Of course, it's not going to happen overnight, but it's definitely something that I plan on working on. I definitely take a time out in the morning to prioritize what I like to watch and what I like to do. Besides just journaling and also prioritizing self care, I like to go on YouTube and watch some of my favorite influencers who encourage body positivity and becoming that girl. And one of my favorites is Miss Sophiology. A shout out to you, Sophiology. While I'm here on this topic, I definitely want to touch on self care and self esteem. So, lately, you guys, my self esteem has been plummeting. I don't know what it is, but now that I'm getting closer to my wedding, the devil is trying it, okay? He has been trying it with different health issues, but also just attacking me and myself, my self image. One of the things that I have been trying to work on is learning more about myself, dating myself, doing things that I like to do, doing something special for me. My therapist has encouraged that I do something special for myself every day, and every week at least do something self care for myself. So lately, I've really been loving taking bubble baths. A lot of people call them goddess baths, where they have flowers, wine, things like that. But me personally, I'll have a candle, a glass of wine, and maybe a book or a tablet so that I can watch my favorite shows or read a book. But self care is so important. It's not just about having material things. It's just doing something for yourself to make you relax and think about what you're grateful for. So it can look different for everybody else. It could be in a form of worship. It could be in a form of working hard or accomplishing a goal. Self care looks different for everybody, but for me, retail therapy is real. Okay, your girl believes in retail therapy, so I am really big on going out and buying something special for myself when I feel like I deserve it. And if you guys have not heard it today, I want you to know that you are so special, that you are worthy, and this is your time to boss up and do something special for yourself. And on this particular day, I have been talking about getting a new rug for over 3 months. My fiance is sick and tired of me because he is like, just go get the rug. And this particular morning, I got up, I said, I'm going to go get my rug, and I went to go get my rug. So that's one of the things that I like to do for self care. Yes, it's spontaneous, but this is definitely something that I've been contemplating and wanting for a long time. And the only thing that was stopping me from getting it was myself and my inner critic telling me that I did not need it and it was not going to look good. It wasn't going to be good enough. So I decided to fight that. Like I said, ladies, every day is a different battle and it's not something that's going to happen overnight. You're going to have to continue to work for it. And on this channel, I am very, very big on self care, self love, and therapy. Therapy is another topic I am going to touch on because I feel like everyone needs therapy. Regardless of you, if you feel like your life is perfect, I feel like therapy just helps you to think about certain things in different perspectives. This is the new rug. Shut up. Look at it. It's so classy. Like, this is what I was trying to get.
Now I don't have my blinds open, so I can't really show that. But I'll turn on my light so you can see what it look like. Yeah, it came out real sexy. So my idea is to finish cleaning up today, and then I want to look into getting a new TV stand, and then also I want a new table back there as well.
Damn, today?
Huh?
All that today?
I would like to look.
Oh, look, okay.
Yes.
Thought the nigga was gonna go buy all this shit. I'm like, damn.
You never know.
Fake that shit out. Nah, you can have that. You like that.
That's what I thought.
Shifting the focus of the video back to home decor. So, like I said, you guys, I have been really big on decorating my home. Now that I am getting married, it's kind of solidifying the idea that me and my husband are going to be in this house, even though we had it before we got married. But I definitely want to make this house a home for years to come. So, I've been really big on decorating my house. I've done little things here and there, but some of my favorite purchases recently have been, as you can see, the spin brush here. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you don't have a spin brush to clean your home, go invest in one. I got mine for $50 at Amazon, and I'll have it linked below. But for $50, you guys, and it comes the same day. I got it the same day and I used that bad boy on my bathtub. So it comes with about six different attachments, which I'll show you guys here. Those attachments are lifesavers. Each one will hit a different corner or have a different function when you're cleaning. I do plan on using my attachments to clean my baseboards. Don't come for me unless I send for you. But some of the attachments I did not use to clean my tub. So I think there is a perfect one in that bunch that's going to help me clean my baseboard. Besides getting the new brush, I did get some decor for my bathroom. As you guys saw in the last clip, I went out and got a new shower curtain. I got another brush holder and I got another soap pump. All of my accessories that I did get are white. I wanted to put more white in my bathroom because I don't have any windows and I wanted to brighten and open up the space. The myth is true. If you do use white in your room, it will help to open the room up. As you guys saw with my new white carpet, it opened the space up so much better than the blue one did. So I've really been big on decorating my house with white accessories because my house is not too spacious. It's enough space for me and Anthony, but it's not a lot of space to where I can have different colors that won't make the room seem a little bit smaller. So I've been really big on getting white accessories. As you guys saw in this clip, I do have a black shower curtain. Well, I had a black shower curtain at the time, but now I'm switching it out for a white shower curtain. And once you guys see how great this shower curtain looks, you will definitely go get one yourself. I did get this one in particular from Ross. It was about $10.99. It came with the hooks. This shower curtain did not come with a liner, so I went to Walmart to buy a clear liner. I went ahead and slowed down this clip so you guys can see exactly which spinner brush that I got. You guys, I cannot rave enough. Please go get a spinner brush. I've been seeing all the hype on Instagram, but I did not believe that they were that good. But when I tell you it takes the guesswork out of cleaning, the manpower out of cleaning, and I know a lot of people are like, I like to do it the old fashioned way because I can get everything. But when I tell you the different attachments on this brush here will hit every single corner and get everything that you need, you won't even have to go over it a second time. I absolutely love that. And because I am a big girl, I do not like bending down sometimes because I get a hair rush. So, yeah, skip all that. I absolutely love this spinner brush. I cannot rave enough. So, again, I'll have it linked down below so that you guys can go and purchase it whenever you're ready. Actually, while you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload. Join the fam. y'all. So now we got to talk about this transformation. Do you see how good this tub looks? I mean, come on. You cannot deny how good my tub looks.
Washed the bed clothes. Yeah, the blanket is on here because Rocky sleeps with us at night, and I don't want her fur all on my nice bed clothes. But yeah, I'm loving the aesthetic of the gray. Now I want to get him another nightstand and then put some mirrors on the walls, get some lamps, and figure out what I want to do up here. Maybe a mirror, maybe some photos of us, not sure just yet. And I want to get rid of this TV stand. I actually found a shelf that I want to put right under the TV that I think will be so much better than just having this here, because it's not enough room for me personally. So my plan is to get rid of this soon. I did also pick up yesterday That 70s Show, the complete series. I'm so freaking happy about that. Like, I don't think y'all understand. I am a huge That 70s Show fan. I started watching it when I was like maybe 16, 17, and it's my comfort show. Like Golden Girls, that was my second comfort show once they took it off Netflix. Well, they took That 70s Show off Netflix. So then I moved to the Golden Girls. But now that it's back, y'all, I'm super excited. Quick review. So yesterday you guys saw me clean my bathroom. This scrubber brush, if you do not have one, go get one right now. I will have a link down below. It made it so easy for me to clean, and it got all the little crevices and cracks that I could not get in my tub. Y'all, I love it. The best $40-50 I spent in my life. So I'll have that link below for you guys. I do plan on using it eventually to do my baseboards, but for right now, I'm decent. I'm not cleaning no more today. I'm done. I done worked. I cooked. But anyways, I will check in with you guys a little later. I'm just about to move all my work equipment to the room so I can lay down. But talk to y'all soon.